Alright, so I'm going to be installing a battery in this FieldSport red, green, blue dot sight. So therefore this video will serve to instruct how to either install or replace the battery in your FieldSport red, green, and blue dot sight. So let's see, we'll open it up. So it came shipped. Let's see, red, green dot scope instruction manual, which had me making this video in the first place, because when I looked it up, there is actually no instruction specific to how do you get to the part of the scope to install the battery. And there's other scopes out there that similar dot sights, most of them for the majority's sake do load the same way, others do not. So in this case, let's see, take this out here. It's all nice and wrapped up. Okay. Alright, so this being the battery here, typically, as we can see, if you want to make a comparison, we know it's not going to fit in here, we know it's not going to fit in there. This is typically where you will find where to replace the battery on the lithium type battery. Often it'll be the knob that has the little screwdriver flat in it. So yeah, go ahead and move all this off of here. That off to the side. Okay, so typically keep a screwdriver up to the side here, flathead. You know, obviously you don't want to scratch it up if you don't have to. Well, it's already loose, which is cool. So basically you'll be unscrewing it. You see there's the opening for it. Pretty cut and dry. Open the battery that's provided, or in this case if you end up having to replace it, toss this off to the side. Make sure there's no sticky protection on the bottom that'll keep it from being able to make a connection. So yeah, let's go ahead and drop that in there. Obviously, make sure when you're threading it back on, you want to make sure that you thread it so that it's not crooked. Put back on. Fine threads. There we go. And you want to make sure you don't damage that little, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little black ring right in there that it probably serves as a waterproofing. So go ahead and get that on nice and tight. Pretty much you can finger tighten it. You want to make sure you hold this in place. Sometimes using a pliers and, well, screwing this off, but in this case it was already loose for me, so that was great. So yep, at this point we got the battery in, and go ahead and pop the top open. If I look through it, we have your right, or your red, blue dot. So I think the blue dot shows up a little better from what I can see looking through it. And let's see if maybe it'll show through there, the blue dot working. If I bring it a little closer, hopefully it doesn't blur out on me. But for the most part, let's hope that, yeah, you're able to see that. Let's see here, I'll go ahead and switch over. And green dot, we'll see if that shows up as well. Try to bring it a little closer. You can see through there if it's open. Okay. And then I'll also switch over to red dot. And hopefully again we can see that. So, okay. Go ahead and turn this off. Lock the cap back up. And again, that there is how you replace the lithium battery inside the FieldSport red dot, red, green, and blue dot sight. Alright. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and hit the like button if you would, and subscribe if you like. Alright.